I'm Whitney Ward. Well, tornadoes do not happen very often here in the inland Northwest, but today we are following up on not one, but two tornadoes that actually touched down here on Friday. Those tornadoes were in Spokane Valley and in Airway Heights. And KREM 2's Janelle Finch is joining us now live just to talk us through kind of what these communities have been seeing now in the aftermath. Janelle?
Whitney, while the storm may be over, the damage still clearly remains. Take a look at this house behind me. It was actually split in two by a fallen tree. This is the kind of damage Spokane's National Weather Service representatives are surveying after Friday night's tornadoes here in the valley and out near the airport. Damage around our region ranged from broken windows, blocked roads, and a house being split in two. In Spokane Valley off of 4th Avenue, mobile homeowners are still picking up their belongings that were thrown around during the storm. KREM 2 spoke with neighbors on Saturday to get their immediate reaction to the extreme winds and rain. One person says even though things have calmed down now, she still fears for the potential that something like this could happen again.
I was terrified, what if it comes back, Because we didn't expect it. That was the least of our worries, and then it happened. We didn't get no warning, no nothing, it just happened.
Strong winds in this area also caused one of the trailers to flip onto another trailer. Spokane Valley fire officials say no one was injured. In Airway Heights, trees came down on and around Greenwood Road. Today, I went down to that area to find a National Weather Service representative assessing final damages. The information collected will be used to provide more finite details on the tornadoes. I also spoke with one of the residents who lives in this home, and she told me her and the homeowner were actually inside the house when the tree came crashing down. While they were unharmed, she says the homeowner fears he may not be able to return to the home he's owned for over 30 years. Live in Spokane Valley, Janelle Finch, KREM 2 News.
All right, Janelle, thank you very much.